Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the repairs done to a 1971 Pontiac Grand Ville grill. While this grill had a nice appearance, with no cracked or broken bars, there were numerous broken mounting tabs, making this unusable. To create new mounting tabs, I drafted copies of both the entire and portions of the existing tabs in a 3D software program. Rough models were then printed to check all angles and mounting positions were spot on. Using the design, I was able to add mounting plugs on the new replacements. Then I cut the fragmented material of the original tab to match the dimensions needed for installation on the car's grille support brackets. The replacement tab was then fine-tuned to fit within the cavity and epoxied in place. The broken upper tabs were treated in the same fashion. Replacement tabs were 3D printed and sanded for a tight fit. These were then epoxied in and clamped until set. The repairs were then sanded smooth, trying to obtain an OEM look. These lower tabs are now much stronger than the original and only required the mounting hardware at this point. The finished product just needed a little bit of detailed cleaning, but it's ready for installation. On other grill repairs, I had hand-painted the assemblies to highlight the design and create a show quality piece. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to be kept updated on future uploads. Our website is down in the description, and please check out our other videos on the channel.